Welcome viewers, let's discuss how to invest in dividend-paying stocks for passive income today. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be an effective strategy for generating passive income and building wealth over time. Here's a guide on how to invest in dividend-paying stocks for passive income. 1. Understand dividend investing. Educate yourself about dividend investing and how it works. Dividends are payments made by companies to shareholders as a portion of their profits. Dividend-paying stocks distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly, providing a steady stream of passive income. 2. Identify high-quality dividend stocks. Look for high-quality companies with a history of consistent dividend payments, strong financial fundamentals, and a track record of stable or growing earnings. Focus on companies with sustainable dividend yields, manageable payout ratios, and competitive advantages in their respective industries. 3. Research dividend history and growth. Research the dividend history and growth trajectory of potential dividend-paying stocks. Look for companies that have a history of increasing dividends over time, as this indicates financial stability, shareholder-friendly management, and a commitment to returning capital to shareholders. 4. Consider dividend yield. Consider the dividend yield of stocks, which represents the annual dividend income as a percentage of the stock price. Compare dividend yields across different stocks and sectors, but be cautious of unusually high yields, as they may signal financial distress or unsustainable dividends. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Diversify your dividend portfolio across different sectors, industries, and companies to spread risk and reduce exposure to any single stock or sector. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks with varying dividend yields, growth prospects, and market capitalizations. By following these steps and investing in high-quality dividend-paying stocks, you can build a portfolio that generates passive income and grows your wealth over time.